hi friends. Thank you very much for joining us today. And thank you, Vinodini, for taking the time and having a conversation with us and sharing your journey. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
So, friends, just to introduce you, this is Vinodini, uh, and she has 7 years of experience in IT services across IBM and HCL, and she recently worked as a senior software engineer in HCL. Now, I'm very happy and congratulations once again for
Thank you.
transitioning to a role in machine learning. So she'll be
It's
joining.
all because of you, sir.
No, no, you put in the
I-
effort. We just gave you high level guidance.
No, after I see your videos, I got motivated by myself, and the voice of yours is boosting. Like you are my guru, and
My
you are
pleasure.
our
Our
guru.
pleasure. Our pleasure.
Okay.
So Vinodini is joining Accenture in the next few months. She'll be joining Accenture as a I just want to get this right, as a senior analyst for application development for machine learning applications. So this is a core machine learning role where she's joining at a senior level because she already has 7 years of IT services experience across HCL and IBM. So again, just to give you some context, Vinodini joined the Applied AI course I think on July 17th, 2020. So in a very short span of just 4 months, she went through all the content. She has done a good chunk of assignments. And before even she even completed all the assignments, she started applying. And I'm very happy to see the successful transition in a very short span of just 4 months, especially for somebody with 7, 8 years experience. So all the credit goes to you because you put in the effort. I think putting in the effort is and persistently and consistently day in and day out,
Thank
I
you.
think is the most important thing.
That's because of the introduction video of yours. No excuses. Every day you have to put 3 to 4 hours, and
As much as you can. I think
yes,
that is a persistence.
yes,
Again, by putting in 3, 4 hours, you finished everything in 4 months. Probably
and
if you put 2 hours, you could have
yes,
taken more time, but you would have done it.
yes. I'm my mother of a 2.5 years old boy,
Oh,
actually.
okay, okay, okay. So we are
Married.
somewhere in the same shoes. I also have a toddler at home who is 2, 2.5.
Yes, I saw your
So
Facebook profile.
so it's a
So
nightmare, especially in the lockdown where they
yes,
don't go to school or they don't get
exactly.
other help. It's a
So
nightmare. And I
yes,
mean, kudos to somebody like you who is a mother of a kid, taking care
yes,
of family, working, learning. So if
yes,
you can do it, there are no excuses for others, especially during a
exactly.
lockdown period like this.
Exactly. That is what I'm trying to say,
Cool,
because
cool.
I have to see baby also,
Yes,
and
yes.
I have to see office work also. It was close to 9 hours office work will be there,
And you
and
still squeezed in time to finish everything in four
yes,
months.
yes. Because when I saw the introduction video of yours, you were like, if you are not able to finish it within 1 year, then what is the point? Like that,
Yes,
we will
yes.
ask. And the speech of yours motivated me, and telling about the field, how I got into this data science field is got very curious about data science, but not getting the platform where I will learn everything. So I was searching YouTube, and through somewhere it was the life changing day for me when I come to know this course. It was like the full night I was telling to my mother, like I got this course and they will teach everything whatever to get the job I need, and leave the job guarantee. First they will teach us for each algorithm, that is more than enough, because I was trying myself, like how to use NumPy, Pandas, like small things. I was learning Python all this lockdown period, and I was so confused whether to take this course or not uh, when I was seeing this. So then my mom was like, "Go ahead, whatever it is, let's see. This will be a life change for you." Like that, she was motivated me. I will
Again,
take
that
care.
family support is very, very
Yes,
important,
yes,
especially for somebody like you at your juncture in career and
yes,
life where you need
yes,
help from the supporting family.
yes. And I will take care of the baby. Don't worry. You study. I will support. And she encouraged me a lot. Then I let it be. This 30,000 is investment for yourself, not to anywhere. Do it like that. So I
I think
took.
mothers always want the kids to win. I mean,
Yes,
even through a pandemic. So,
yes, exactly. So like in one night, I thought about it, and the next day I bought it. And then
so I
after
really
that,
want to understand. So I
yes,
because you have done it so well amidst a pandemic, amidst a family a young family that you have to raise,
yes,
work everything. So I want to learn what strategies work best for you. So I want to understand
okay,
your learnings. How did you make the most of the videos, assignments, the query resolution, live sessions? How did you balance all this with such a hectic schedule that you have?
Yes. So I used to do morning 2 hours, and when my baby sleeps, I put hold of my office work, because I know that what to do. When he awakes, I can do that. When he sleeps for morning 2 3 hours, he sleeps. At that time, I will see all your videos, and with full focus. And I used to take all the notes, whatever you tell. And after that, night till 11 12, I used to see your videos, and used to take notes, and I prepare every day, like 15 days once I revise all the concepts whatever you were teaching in
Perfect,
the
perfect.
videos. And if one algorithm you are teaching, I was like taking notes each and everything. Like I go and see read some blogs in Medium, and that words will get more into your mind when you are
Very
reading more and more. So one algorithm, if I see video and I see the assignment, like what assignment will do, so it will be like from scratch you have to implement the assignment. So that is where you will learn the things. It like weights, like whatever things. If it is a logistic regression, weights updates, everything, SGD, everything, it will be into your mind, it will go into your mind easily. So then I will read 2 hours, I will read the blogs in Medium along with this. So I used to, I can able to speak when I read more. That is that also learned from you only. The way you teach is like easily we can learn. I would have read all the concepts before taking this course, but I did not understand anything before that. When I saw your videos, okay, this is what it's all about.
We
Yes,
prefer to go into the details, into the mathematical nitty-gritties, because if you want to get into a career and work in
yes.
that career for a few decades, you need to know the bolts and nuts.
Exactly. That's what I want to say is those were not really data science. So what I thought is, okay, the algorithm means only fit and predict. That's it. Okay, well, if that is this much easy, why people are telling data science is very tough or whatever it is? I was so confused, and I was curiously searching. No, no, something is behind this each algorithm. Then I somehow I should thank God for showing me this amazing course,
Cool,
because
cool.
this changed my life. Whoever I am, I was a mother and searching for an opportunity where I will learn this. Money doesn't matter. I need to learn and I need to get into this field, because when I was going to office, I used to study there, taking all the papers wherever in Google I was saying. But wherever you read, if you are getting the correct teacher, then you will understand that concept in one day rather than you yourself learning for 10 to 15 days.
Yes, that's
So
what
the
we try to do. We try to
yes,
make the learning process easy for those who are willing to put in the effort. So
I,
just to understand more about your learning
yes,
strategies, so you would spend a couple of hours in the morning, couple of hours in the evening. In addition to learning from the course videos, you would do the assignment, but also read up and Google search from Medium blogs.
yes, yes,
That's a very nice thing, because this is teaching you the learning to learn skill that you will carry with you all your life.
exactly.
Cool, cool.
I thought if I come out of my comfort zone for some 6 months, I can spend less rest of my life with him very happily with good salary and good feel where I want to be.
Very,
So
very
that
nice. Very,
yes,
very right attitude also.
yes, yes,
So I wanted to understand your interview experiences. So
yes,
because you already had 7 years of IT experience,
yes,
what was
yes.
being expected out of you? And were
Okay,
there also questions related to your past experience? Because you don't want to join as a fresher, obviously, right?
obviously,
You,
yes,
you don't
yes,
you want to build on the experience that you already have. So I
yes.
wanted to understand that interview experience and thought process.
Okay, the project which I am working also will use big data, Hive, and SQL and Informatica, data stage, all the ETL technology, data analysis technology they use, and this is also insurance. So
So you were
they
doing some ETL work on fetching the
yes,
data, cleaning the data,
cleaning the
etc.
data. So I linked with this we can database. We always use SQL in our project. So I told that we use SQL for pre-processing, and we'll do the transformation. We use Python as well. And the interview was more about not my previous experience, but he was asking about all the algorithms which we have used, everything like how it works, KNN, how it works, and what is the use in real time, and tell about the ensemble models, random forest, and XGBoost, almost all the parameters, how you use, and how it works. So these kind of things. And in the pre-processing, forward fill, how do you fill the previous things with yours, and kernel imputation they were asking.
Okay.
And everything, like not deployment they did not ask, but before that, till model building and putting into the pickle file, till that they have asked about all the questions. And
So they were going the whole data science life cycle except productionization in your
yes,
case.
exactly. From the
But
pre-processing,
how deep
label encoder.
Sorry, carry on. Sorry to cut.
No problem. Label encoder, one hot encoding, and how do you do all the NLP techniques? So all these things they were asked.
So how deep were the mathematical questions? For example, you're talking about GBDT, right? Were they
Yes,
asking about mostly the mostly the hyperparameters and how they are tuned, or were
yes.
they going more into the mathematical details?
They did not go into too much mathematical. They were asking this hyperparameter tuning, and what is column sample by level, and row sampling, how you achieve, and loss function, how you achieve.
So you
So
have to know all the internal workings of the algorithm for sure.
yes, see, he first asked all the internal algorithm, how it works, intuition behind it. And when once we have applied, I mean, we have told, they were telling like, okay, tell the sklearn implementation of this, or how you implement in Python. So everything. So he want me to be very good in theory as well as practical. So thank God I have done almost close to 12 assignments, first ML assignments. And after that, we can easily say, when he asked random forest, I was like, very easily, I was telling generating samples, row sample, column sample, then you will fit that much decision tree, will estimate. Then I was telling all the answers when the assignments that what I did, I was telling to him, and he was impressed by the way I was explaining. Because if you don't take this course and you don't know how each algorithm works, and you can't explain in this way, right? So the interviewer will obviously come to know whether you have experience or not, the way you are explaining. So maybe because of the way I told about all the assignments, whatever I was preparing very well. Like if they ask this question, I will tell the assignment procedure steps. So I
I'm
was
very
very
happy
clear.
that assignments helped you. Actually, assignments often help our students because
Yes,
that's the time when they get their hands dirty and solve a real problem end to end.
exactly. So I was like, if I don't get any output in the assignment, I will not feel that day is very uncomfortable for me. I was like sending mail to you guys asking how it be. And you, the play day support team was very helpful. Actually, I did not expect that. So I thought you will not help me to do assignment. I have to do myself. So I was sitting 1 or 2 days like this. Then I thought, okay, whatever comes, let me send you a mail like asking this help. Then the reply, after I saw the reply, I got shocked. Okay, thank you so much. I did not expect this like detailed explanation. You will not go and Google anywhere and get this reply. Okay, so I thank you, Arma sir. You are like
No, it's the credit to the whole team. They
that
put
is
in
what.
so much of effort.
Sometime I would have got stuck. The result I was getting will be different from the grader function what we were having. So I was asking what strategy I can use. So
Sure.
they also send like the tips
No,
only,
very good, very good.
not
Yes.
the solution.
I'm happy that you asked the questions instead of getting stuck. That's very good of you.
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
So another very important question for somebody like you who is in your shoes, 7, 8 years of work experience in IT services. What
Okay,
do you think are the most important things, suggestions that you can give for people like you, maybe
okay,
6 months back, right?
okay,
Somebody with 7, 8 years experience, maybe even 10 years experience in IT services who wants to transition to ML careers. What do you
okay,
think are the most important things?
okay. So according to me, the most important thing is you can change your domain field right now also. You don't need to stuck in one company for 10, 11 years thinking that you can't do anything after this 7 years. And after you have a baby, okay, it's not possible. Nothing. Everything is possible if you are dedicated person, and if you're a big dreamer, like you want to achieve something, and you were like 7 years you were into IT, and you want to go into the technology which is growing, and you want to be a part of a good company or good technology. So I what I tell is like come out of your comfort zone, guys, and search for an opportunity. So there is opportunity everywhere, but what we are going to search, then only we are going to get. So I was searching for an opportunity for a long time, close to 6 months I was searching. And then when I came to know about this applied AI course, everybody told like you can learn everything in data science through this course. So I was like, okay. And my husband was okay, okay, go ahead, like that. They were motivating. My family was very motivating. So after that, after taking this course, I learned how each algorithm works, and how what is the each and everything. Uh, it's like for a 7 years IT experience field, it is very easy for us to go through this course and learn. You can easily grab all the learnings in through this. So changing ML career is the best thing for you guys, because like if you get tutor like Varma sir, you can achieve anything. And he's a biggest inspiration for us, for me and my family also. My mom is very big fan of you. And
Uh, Please share my thanks to her, because she supported you in your journey. I think that's the most important thing.
yes, yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So, in terms of learning itself, you focused a lot on that fact that you have to be very comfortable with the internals of the algorithms and things like that.
Yes, yes.
But equally importantly, for somebody with your sort of experience, right? How important is it to build on prior experience that you may have?
Okay.
Because you
So
don't want to join in machine learning careers as a fresher, right?
yes,
You
yes,
want to build on top of your prior experience.
yes.
So how do you think that helped you, and how do you think it could help others who are very similar to you in your career?
Actually, the project which I'm working is insurance domain.
Okay.
So what I told, actually we have use cases. In our project, what we will do is the predictions, whatever they would have predicted, and they will give an Excel file to us. Okay, in that they would have mentioned this much insurance we will play for 2021, and these are the policies we are going to introduce for 2021, and these will be the cost, fixed cost, and these are the estimated. This will be future prediction, like that. One sheet will be there. So that's the sheet would have come from data scientist only to us.
Yes.
So what I did was I told to the interviewer that we are into insurance prediction. We are doing predictive analysis. Like we are going to predict what is the estimated cost for this insurance next year.
And you did all the analysis on your side while you are learning in the course, took
Of
those
course,
learnings to your workplace, and
yes,
learned and understood how these things work,
of course,
and
connecting the
even did the
dots.
work yourself, what a
Yes,
data
yes.
scientist would do.
Yes, exactly. Connecting the dots. So I was like, insurance prediction will be best use cases for this, because in my project also they are using, and we are into homeowners, renters, like lot of different policies are there in our project. So, so I was surfed about on this insurance domain use case, and it was somewhat related to me. So what I was working.
So
So
you successfully connected the dots to your experience, to the project you're doing, and where machine learning can be used there, and
yes,
how data scientists in the insurance company were actually doing it, and
yes.
understanding the nitty-gritty details of it.
Yes, I used to download 2 data sets from Google, and I used to work on that. And for some predictive analysis, I used to work on that, because if you don't work, you can't explain, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Obviously.
for sure, for sure.
So I was spending some good time to connect, to tell what my prior experience will relate to this machine learning field in industry. That is what.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes.
So in general, what suggestions do you have for not just people with experience, but anybody who is taking this course, probably who joined in the last
Yes.
month, last 2
Yes.
months,
Sure.
who is going through this course? What suggestions you have for students who are currently enrolled, so that
Yeah.
they can be successful, they can make the most out of it?
Okay. And one thing, as a person, I can say, if I can do that, I can do this. Anybody can do this, because I was 24 hours will not be enough for me as a mother. You because when your mother, you will come to know, right? If you have a baby, you have to feed him, you have to make him sleep. Everything, it depends on mother. And only thing is time management. And I am not perfect in that, but still I somehow managed. And if you guys don't have any family work or baby or anything, you would have almost 16 hours in a day, right? So even though office work, if you do almost 8 hours also, there will be evening part and there will be morning part. And you can easily like I took 4 months. You guys would have taken, if if you put effort, it will be possible for 3 months itself, because I was not getting time at all. But somehow I was sacrificed a lot of things, and I did this course, and I get this job. And for you guys, if you are a fresher or whatever it is, you can easily learn if you follow Varma Sir's techniques. That is the only thing which made me do what I am today now. And I kindly request you guys to just follow this applied AI course procedure. Like whatever each video I used to watch 2 to 3 times. If I don't understand, I used to ask in the comment section, and I used to read about it, and then I get familiar to the topics. And when you have everything in this course, you don't need to go anywhere, and just follow Sir's videos each by each and learn. And if you finish almost all the course videos, you will actually machine learning also, you will come to know the.
So in a nutshell, you're saying don't waste time, make the most of your time, no excuses.
Yes, exactly, because when you got right platform somehow in the final, wherever you searched, I don't know how you got into this course, but this is the right platform to learn this machine learning or deep learning concepts and get jobs. Like so, but only thing, when time goes, we will get our jolly mode. We would have come out of comfort zone in the middle of the course. Maybe it is 1 year course. Okay, 1 year it is there. I will do in the last 3 months. I will learn. Don't think like that. It doesn't work in this way, because the time and out of comfort zone is very important to achieve anything in the life. And if you want to achieve something like this, you have to put time and effort. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
for
Vinodini.
your beautiful course, and this course changed a lot of people's lives like me, for sure.
Hey, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the appreciation. Thanks on behalf of
taking.
all of our team members.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
And most importantly, congratulations to you and your family. Special thanks to your spouse, to your kid also, and to your mother who has supported you through this journey. Congratulations to everyone.
Yes.